Hey, what's up, YouTubers? I'm back, and today we go try something different. We go try to put this floodlight up there. So usually we working on automobiles and trying to get them situated. Today we go try to get this here floodlight situated. This right here is not a monitor. It's not a video camera. That's for solar power. So this is a solar powered floodlight, and according to the reviews, it's supposed to be pretty good. You can pick it up at Costco. I think it's a Costco brand, but I found it on eBay. Like always, that's my spot. And the reviews is pretty good. They say it's pretty bright and easy to hook up. So I'm gonna give it a shot. It was 39 bucks. And you have a bracket on here that disconnects. So let me disconnect it and show you how I'm gonna do this. Can't do it and hold the camera. So give me one moment. I disconnected it. This right here, it just slides up on the back of the floodlight, and this little tab right here is the release tab. You just press it and it'll release it. So what you do is this bracket, you'll bolt it up wherever you're trying to bolt it first. It comes with these screws. I'm putting mine in wood, so I should only have to use the screw, but if you want it to go into like stucco or something, they do give you these what they call them, anchors. And should be fairly simple. So I'm gonna put this up top. I probably just put 2 screws in it right now, and see if I can get it in a good location. I might put the other 2, but it's light. It's not even heavy, so the 2 screws may hold it. But I just want to put 2 just to make sure I got it in the right location, and then if need be, I add the other 2. So let's get this bad boy up top. So I'm gonna try to get it up here on that little plank right there. So let me give it a shot. So I got this bracket up here. I put the 2 on there. The only thing, you got to make sure you have enough clearance, because the light actually slips down over this bracket right here. So if I put it too high up, I can't get the light under here to slip it down. So I have to let it hang a little bit so I can slip the light down on top of the bracket. So I put the 2 screws. This is in a cool spot. So I went ahead and put the other 4. It's pretty sturdy. So now I'm gonna slip the light over it, lock it into place, figure out where I'm gonna put that solar panel. Let's check it out. Alright, we got that bad boy up there. Let's get a closer look. Hopefully I don't fall off this ladder. Alright, so like I say, underneath it's a bracket. Camera not focusing. Come on, camera, don't do me like that. Don't do me so badly. There we go. So if you ever want to take it down, you just push this tab back and you slide the light up, it'll come off. Another thing I noticed when I bolted the bracket on, try not to put the screws too tight, because it'll warp the bracket, and when you go to slide it on, it don't want to slide down the track. It gets kind of wedged. So I had to back the screws off a little bit, and then it slid down and clipped. So I got it up here. Now I just gotta find a good place to put the solar panel. Check that out next. But so far it's looking good. I actually like the way it looks. Yeah, I was saying I wanted a black one, but that white goes pretty good with the white of the house, so I'm satisfied. Alright, let's get that solar panel up. Alright, so I found a good spot for this solar panel. Right now I only have 2 screws in it. It's a little tricky to get it in. I'll have to use I don't know if you can see that down there, but that drill with an extension on it. So I can squeeze past this the actual panel and get to the screws. So there we go. I got a screw right here for now. And then I also have a screw down here. So this one is open, and this one more at the top that's open. It's still pretty sturdy with these 2 in there. I'll put the other 2 in. I just wanted to make sure this was a good location. It's right above the camera. Just want to make sure it don't hit the camera. It's actually upside down too, but it's a solar panel, so it don't matter. When I put it the other way, you can see the cord is at the top, supposed to be at the bottom. So when I put it the other way, it was hitting the roof. It was too tall, so I put it upside down, just flipped it downward, and it's cool. I can get some sunlight this way. Plus the other way it'd be too, it's in the shade back here, so I put it lower, flipped it down, upside down, and now as you can see the reflection, I'm getting light on it. And the cable, all you gotta do, this is a 15-foot cable. I don't need nowhere near that much. I just need maybe about 1.5 feet. But the tip of it is just a slip in. So get it over to the camera and it'll slip in where my finger at. Where my finger at? Oh, there it is. It'll slip in that hole right there. So easy to hook up. So let me get the other 2 screws in and we're gonna wire this thing up, try to hide these wires real quick. All right, it's been 1 day total. They say you have to let it charge for 3 days. It's been charging all day today. I just want to see if the thing could turn on, because before it wouldn't even turn on, so I guess the batteries was completely dead. You have to let it charge for 3 days on the off position for the batteries to fully charge. I just want to see how bright this thing is, or even if it worked. So I'm gonna turn it on real quick, let y'all get a view of it. I actually like it. It looks pretty good. Let's go around this way. I got it shining on this side of the truck. Somebody was trying to get in it one time the other day, matter of fact. So I got one shining here. I'm gonna put another one over there by that. That's the address light. But just to show you, it looks good. I think I'm gonna aim it down a little bit. And I haven't positioned it or turned it into the actual motion detection or anything like that, but it looks good. So if you consider buying a solar powered spotlight for your driveway, SunForce. This thing is pretty tight. There's 2 things I ask for: thumbs up and subscribe. I appreciate y'all, and catch y'all in the next video. This ain't over.